introduce to you another Ogbonge estate for inside New Banana Highland. Remember, say inside New Banana Highland, we get GRA level, we get Joseph Estate, we get Villa Estate, we get Dorcas Estate. The estate then plenty. Hey, don't understand. And here where we dey like this, now Joseph Estate for New Banana Highland. Hey, you don't get it. So the plots we have here, they are not much again because people they rush out. So make you quickly, bros. Well done, well done. Make you quickly come here 0903429651. Come collect your plot so that you go get plot for Joseph Estate. So if you don't get plot here, you are wrong, go. I'm serious. So you must get at least 2 or 3 plots. All at all. 9 bad pass. So just get 1 plot for Joseph Estate in New Banana Island. And now Mercy Homes and Properties, they bring them for you. And now they wait for you to call me on 090342965119.